Welcome to Wisdom Flix. Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency. Let's move on. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an unknown individual or a group named Satoshi Nakamoto to provide a way to pay for transactions without a third party like a bank. The transactions occur between two parties without any middleman. Bitcoin is a digital currency, also known as cryptocurrency or virtual currency, built on top of blockchain technology. Yes, Bitcoin is nothing that you can print, touch, feel, or store in your safe or wallet. Bitcoin is virtual. Technically, Bitcoin is a bunch of numbers, that is zeros and ones, stored on a bunch of computers around the world. It's like an online version of cash. You can use it to buy products and services, but not many shops accept Bitcoin yet, and some countries have banned it altogether. There are no transaction fees, and both parties are anonymous. When you buy Bitcoins, you get a unique digital address that becomes your identity, and that address is used for every transaction. Key facts of Bitcoin. Launched in 2019, Bitcoin is the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Unlike normal currency, Bitcoin is created, distributed, traded, and stored with the use of a decentralized ledger system known as blockchain. Current value of a Bitcoin is 34,295 US dollars, which is approximately 26 lakhs Indian rupees. Bitcoin is commonly abbreviated as BTC. Bitcoin mining is the process by which Bitcoins are released into circulation. Understanding blockchain. The Bitcoin system is a collection of computers, also referred to as nodes or miners, that all run Bitcoin's code and store its blockchain. Technically, a blockchain can be thought of as a collection of blocks. In each block is a collection of transactions. Because all the computers running the blockchain has the same list of blocks and transactions and can transparently see these new blocks being filled with new Bitcoin transactions. No one can cheat the system. Blockchain is a technology to create and maintain cryptographically secure, shared and distributed ledger for transactions. Blockchain brings trust, accountability and transparency to digital transactions. Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack or cheat the system. Blockchain technology can be applied to any industry where transactions are involved. Cryptocurrency is one of the first industries to embrace blockchain. The most popular application of blockchain is cryptocurrency. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin has become the face of blockchain. How does Bitcoin work? In a nutshell, each Bitcoin is basically a computer file which is stored in a digital wallet app on a smartphone or computer. Peer-to-peer. Worldwide decentralized peer-to-peer network. Unlike traditional currencies which are issued by central banks, Bitcoin has no central monetary authority. Instead, it is underpinned by a peer-to-peer computer network made up of its users' machines. Miners create Bitcoins by using computers to solve mathematical functions. The same process verifies the transaction. Bitcoin exchange. Trade conventional currencies for Bitcoin, offering a way in and out of the market for non-miners. Digital wallets. Individuals and businesses create wallets that allow them to send and receive Bitcoins. Cryptography secures the network, ensuring that all the balances and transactions are safe. People can send Bitcoins to your digital wallet and you can send Bitcoins to other people. Every single transaction is recorded in a public list called blockchain. This makes it possible to trace the history of Bitcoins to stop people from spending coins they do not own, making copies or undoing transactions. How do we buy Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized network of digital currency. Transactions are made to and from 16-character encrypted addresses. These addresses are mathematically secure so that nobody but the owner of the address can transfer the funds that belong to it. To put it simply, Bitcoin is a network of independent computers that generate, propagate, and verify monetary transactions. Before you can buy Bitcoin, you have to install wallet software onto your computer. The wallet will allow you to send, receive, and transfer Bitcoins. To purchase Bitcoin, you have to deposit money into an online exchange that connects Bitcoin buyers and sellers. Once the exchange has accepted your currency, you can place an order for Bitcoin, similar to the way you would buy a stock. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.